Okay guys, I'm back from my amazing trip to California. We went and saw so many amazing things. I went up all the way north and then I went to south. Hit up LA, hit up San Francisco, slept on some beaches, met some sea lions. You know the usual California experience. But I'm gonna stop talking and I'll show you my video I made. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe or share with a friend. You do you. I'll see you in the next one.
I don't usually go out this late at night, to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me. Dance with me, dance with me, dance with me, dance with me.
Thank you. Alright boys, we made it to Cali. Been up there. I'm down the car, I just want to drink it. Making it nice and tight. We got Christian double strapping everything, make sure it doesn't fall off.
I'm confused.
Oh, that's not good.
I'm really confused, boys, because I have no idea what to do.
Alright, that's a move. I'll keep you guys posted. We're about to leave for the trip.
I'm so over the game and living for the weekend. Let me out of this cage so we can stop breathing.